Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cooking Euphoria. Today I am sharing with you the recipe of weekend dal fry. Due to the busy schedules, most of the people buy a lot of vegetables together on Sunday for everyday cooking during their weekdays. But at the end of the weekdays, when Saturdays arrive, there are a few veggies left in the fridge, which we cannot use to make one full dish. So I mixed them all and cooked with lentil soup, which is a great combination of taste and nutrition. Using up leftover veggies to make this recipe on weekends is a reason for giving such a name. To make this recipe, I took 4 types of pulses, and that's are red lentils or masoor dal, yellow or moong dal, black or urad dal or bulid dal, chana dal or split chickpeas. If you have more, take them too. Here I took 2 tablespoons of each lentils. Then wash them very well and soak in water for 2 hours by covering it. Now pour the soaked lentils or dal in a pressure cooker and add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric and little oil. Cover it to boil, wait for a whistle and turn off the heat and keep it aside. Now heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil and add 1 tablespoonful ginger garlic paste, which consists of half inch ginger and 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Fry them for 2 minutes in low flame and then add chopped onions. After 2 minutes, add chopped potatoes and carrots. Fry them with adding little salt. You can see that here I cutted all the veggies into a cube shape, but you can cut them as per your choice. When they turn light brown in color, add long beans to it. Now add capsicum and fry for a while. Now add chopped tomatoes. When tomatoes become soft, add half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and mix them well. Now pour the boiled lentils or dal. If needed, add little salt, and with this 1 green chili, 1 bay leaf, half teaspoon sugar and mix them well. Now cover the lid and let it boil on medium flame until the veggies cook well. Check once if the veggies are cooked or not, and with this, if needed, add little water and boil them again. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and stop cooking after 2 minutes. Take another pan and heat 1.5 teaspoon of mustard oil and then add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, some curry leaves, 1 small size finely chopped onions, finely chopped coconut and fry them until they are becomes golden brown in color. Now add this tadka or chop or fodan to your dal. Now this weekend special dal fry is ready to serve. Serve it hot with adding butter on top. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my channel Cooking Euphoria.